My name is Jones Lusa Lusa. This video is a review of the song Namisui Misapi by the band OK Jazz from DRC Congo. Namisui Misapi is about a guy who was locked out of his own house by his wife. The name of the wife is Lulu. This guy was so used to destroying women's hearts, but Lulu decided to put an end to it by locking him outside his own house after a night out. The guy had nothing to blame the woman with. So the woman didn't do anything wrong, but he still had to say something to make up something that the woman did wrong. So he came up with some nonsense argument. I will play those arguments. From there you will be able to picture the song properly. So picture it, the guy is outside his own house, he's talking to the woman who is inside the house. You know what you did? You told everybody in Kinshasa that I chatted you first. That's how it's supposed to be. A man is supposed to chat a woman first. That's how it's supposed to be. You went ahead and told everybody in Kinshasa that I chatted you first. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong by chatting you first? Do you think it make any sense? Maybe the guy was drunk. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to this new YouTube channel, Jones Lusa Lusa. The other channel is Lingala Institute. This is my personal channel, Jones Lusa Lusa. It's like a video vlog, you know what I'm saying? Thanks a lot. Please subscribe.